Greetings. We are coming to you from the shop this evening. It's been a little bit since we got stuff going. She was gone for like a month doing holiday, family, COVID kind of stuff. And I have just been cranking it out in the shop, getting some projects done. But we are gearing up. We have
bubble wrap
parts and pieces. Currently, we have Willy-Nilly in the shop, and we have this hip new, wherever it is, spare tire carrier from Black Mountain that we picked up in Texas from Dennis Collins and Black Mountain Jeep. They're in Dallas. Picked it up while we were down there, stopped in to say hello, and bought some stuff while we were there. So it's been sitting in my garage. Her full-size spare is sitting out at my house. You have a lot of stuff at my place. Anyway, we have Willy-Nilly inside. We're going to get it cleaned out, cleaned up. We are gearing up for the year. There are a lot of things going on this year. We don't even know all of what. That being said, I can tell you the projects. Vehicles are coming back. I'm not speaking well tonight. My vehicles are coming back to life. So we have projects to do. So I know a lot of you are here for the vehicle side of things. So we will be doing some shop time. Tune in for that. A lot of daily drivers, which are a whole lot less fun. But we've got a Bronco sitting outside waiting its turn. We've got a J10, Eagle, Toyota, Datsun, other things, lots of stuff. So much stuff. Lincolns, multiple Lincolns. I hope you like big. Do you like big Lincolns? Big blocks? Yeah. Road trips, all kinds of cool stuff. So, I don't think I've said it to you yet, but Happy New Year! Now that January is almost over. So, I'm going to do what I can to try to include you more in everything. Because I failed in the last month. It's been cold, dreary, wet-ish, not wet enough. We've been gone. We were in Nashville this week, and now we're back, and it feels like we haven't left in 12 and a half years or something like that. Does it feel like we were in Nashville 2 days ago?
No.
No, it doesn't. That was an adventure, but we might tell you about that later if you want to hear it. If you don't, we might tell you anyway. Who knows? Anyway, let's put this tire carrier on and see what it looks like.
Knife. Sharp. Guy! That's a lot.
I like the fact that this did not come with instructions. It's like they know that we're not going to look at them anyway. So why waste the paper and printing time, you know? But this should be pretty much self-explanatory, except for the parts that aren't. The spare tire has been removed. And now, the rest of the story.
Boom.
No more edge! Getting closer. That's where the brake light goes, right up in here, which unbolted from the factory carrier. And then this. So this, not only is it beefier, it keeps the factory brake or third brake light, but it's also higher and it's deeper. So we can put a taller and wider tire on it. She's got 35s on the Jeep right now. Our next step, probably the next set of tires she puts on it, are going to be 37. Because we'll probably do a couple inches of lift. Because it's got those, we put those flat flares on it. So it fits 35s where they don't even look like they're an issue. The only thing is going to be the, can't see it, the little edge of the body mount, so we flex much. It could be an issue. We haven't had an issue. We don't do a lot of like rocks and stuff. The trails we've been on, it's been fine. Hello, how you doing? Hello. It's been fine, but at some point in the future we will trim that and not have to deal with it anymore. That's how that works. And we are using hand tools because they give you a workout, whereas air tools are quick and efficient. These give you muscles that move and stuff. That way, you know, you're not puny and can't do this in case, you know, someday you may not have air tools and you have to know how to use manual tools. We're doing it old school. Well, we got to clean up our mess, put some tools away, but that is theoretically what it looks like. It's just the factory spare that we're going to take back out to the house, but you can see we have quite a bit more clearance top and bottom, which we didn't have before. So we can put that 35 or 37 on it, not worry too much about it. It's Saturday evening. It's Red Dirt Revolution night, which is Red Dirt music from 9 until midnight. 3 hours. We used to have the Red Dirt Revolver, which was 9 to 11, and they basically played it till midnight. Now it's the Revolution. It left for a while. I was sad. A lot of people were sad. The DJ on the radio was literally crying when he said this was the last night for the Revolver. So that said, it's back. And longer. But, anyway, we can't play it because, you know, copyright laws. We don't have enough money to pay for copyright of good music. Which is why we play what we play in our videos. But we broke out the Mountain Dew. And, let me flip you around. We also have this handy dandy little tailgate table that goes on said tailgate. And it folds down to be a table. So we're going to put this on while we're doing. Because it's Saturday evening and we're doing Red Dirt style. We've got one in, and then we mark the rest of them for where they're supposed to go. And I hit them with a punch. And that's on both sides. So hit them with a punch. I've got some bits, make some pilot holes, and we're going to get some holes to put these in, which in turn give the quarter 20, so coarse quarter-inch bolts. So we're going to go into, and guess what? That's right, there's a table. You undo the handy dandy little latches, and boom, table. Ignore the extra holes. This thing came with a lousy instruction. It's supposed to tell you where to go, precisely where to go, because there's some reinforcement in the back of it, inside the tailgate, and you're supposed to stagger, so you miss that. The Chinesium instructions that we got, because I ordered a budget table, were lousy and did not work. But we got it. 6 nut zerts later, table. With that being said, short video. We didn't get a whole lot of footage because we were fighting with this. But we are still here. We haven't gotten a whole lot up here recently, but we're working on all kinds of stuff. And I'm not going to go into any of that at the moment, But just know that we are going to start getting some more content out. We got a lot of vehicle projects, and I need your help to get them going. We're going to do some road trips and some cruising and some history and all kinds of fun stuff because it is 2023. And that is okay with me. Sorry. So, until next time, get out, have some fun, drink the dew, drive the back roads, be nice to one another because we're all in this together. Bye.